Hello everyone and my dear friends.
Mine.
Let's learn about farm animals. First, let's learn about cow and the buffalo. Cow and buffalo lives in a shed and they gives us milk and they eat grass. And the goat and the sheep. The goat he gives us milk, and we drink milk in earlier. And the sheep gives us wool, and he lives in a pen, and the goat lives in a barn, and the hen and the rabbit, and she lives. The hen lives in a
Coop.
coop, and rabbit lives in a
But
burrow, and the hen gives us eggs, and the rabbit eats carrots, and the duck and the dog. The duck, she said quack 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 quack, and he gives us milk, and he gives us eggs, and he lives in a pond, and he have a big mouth, and dog says woof 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 woof. He's a police dog, and he loves to eat. What he loves to eat? Bones. And the horse. But not next. And the cat and the pig. Pig says oink 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 oink. He lives in a pig sting. And he loves to play in the mud. And cat says meow meow meow. He loves to play with children in